Now I'll take this hose off. See what she got. She's pretty empty though. This shit is empty as hell. Ain't got no fluid in it because we had a leak in the radiator. Nothing in there. This clamp comes out like that. Put it on there. Pull it off. I hate these clamps. So difficult. Trying to hold the phone, take the clamp off at the same time. It's tight as hell. Tighter than a version. Alright, looks like I'm gonna need 2 hands, so video a different way. There we go. Versatile. My hands is versatile, baby. Alright. Clamp is back. And pull the hose off. And there she blows. Lift the hose up so it's dirty in there, so that it don't leak no more. Because if you leave it down, you leak all the fluids out. It doesn't really matter because we got 2 quarts. 2 quarts is somewhere, but there's 2 quarts. Now hold these things up. Grab here. She is dirty, but she's out. So I know a dirty girl.